Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Bonito's Foods. My name's Josh, and today we're cooking beef kebabs with homemade flatbreads. So this recipe is super quick, super easy, and it's going to be delicious for a weekday meal. And then we're going to be making our super quick and easy flatbreads, and inside that flatbread we're going to add the beef, we're going to add some salad, which is lettuce, tomato, onion. Also going to be making a lemony herby dip to go on top. So first up, we need to get the beef ready. I'm using your standard beef mince. This is 5% fat, 750 grams. Add this into a bowl with some spices. So what I'm using is smoked paprika, chili flakes, cumin, ras al hanout, a handful of parsley, and then some olive oil. And then just finish that off with a little bit of salt and pepper. Once all those ingredients are in the bowl, mix together with your hands until everything's incorporated. Then we make the beef kebabs. Roll it out into a ball, then squish it down softly to make an oval, long shape. Once you made your kebabs, put them to one side and we'll start the flatbread. The flatbreads are super easy to make. All you need is 175 grams of self-raising flour. Then add 175 grams of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Then once all the ingredients are inside the bowl, we mix that together with a spoon until everything is incorporated. Once everything's incorporated, lightly dust your work surface. Place that dough onto the work surface and then knead for 1 minute. Once your dough's kneaded, we then put it back into the bowl, then we cover and we put this to one side. So we've got the beef kebabs made, we've got the flatbreads resting, now it's time to get on with the Greek yogurt sauce. All you need is Greek yogurt, honey, a little sprinkle of cumin, the zest of 1 lemon, then half the juice from that lemon, some parsley, and then mix this together. And then season with salt and pepper. Then once finished, place in the fridge until serving. And now it's time to form our flatbreads and cook them. So now your yogurt's made, it's time to go back to the dough. So first thing to do is just lightly flour the surface, roll your dough out with your hands, then cut out into equal segments. Then with each of those dough balls, we then roll them out into flatbreads. You can have these as thick, as thin as you want. Then once rolled out, we get our griddle pan and we put this onto a high heat. Once the griddle pan's hot enough, we then add in the flatbreads one at a time without any oil. Then we flip once cooked, and then we do the same to the other side. Once all the flatbreads are cooked, we put these to one side. Then we make a garlic butter that we're going to brush over the flatbreads to finish. All you need is butter, and a small sprig of parsley, 2 garlic cloves crushed and cut. Once all these ingredients are mixed together, melt this in a microwave or in a pan. Once the butter's melted, we then brush these over the flatbreads. Then we put the flatbreads to one side and we'll start on the kebabs. Now one thing I love to have in a flatbread is charred pepper. So it's really simple to do. All you need to do is put the hob on and then with the whole red pepper, just place that on top, turn it until blackened all on the outside. Once blackened on the outside, put to side. Okay, so now everything else is ready, it's time to cook the kebabs. Put a little bit of oil on top of the kebabs and rub in. Then make sure your pan's hot enough to add the beef. Add all the beef in together and turn on each side until cooked all the way through. Once kebabs are cooked, we then take them off the pan and then assemble the kebab. So there you have it, that's my beef kebabs with homemade flatbread. Now if you want the recipe for this, go on my website bonitosfoods.com and I'll see you next time.